I was excited to try it. And when I had results the first time, that really made me a believer in the treatment. Tinnitus was increasing in my ear throughout the years and through the months until where it hit a peak to where it made it very difficult for me to hear. My first dive that I had, it went from even to just rubbing my fingers together near my ears, I could actually hear that. Outside of that, I couldn't hear any further than that. So at least I knew that that was immediate improvement. And after that, after a couple of dives, I was able to hear even like clicking my fingernails, but down at my waist. So I would test to see how the range of my hearing has improved. Honestly, I was a skeptic, but I was willing to try anything. And this by far has been the one thing I've noticed that has definitely helped in more ways than one. And I'm very thankful for it.